These 5 signs scream that you really need couple therapy. It is inevitable for couples to not be on the same page at all times and have arguments, even heated ones, now and then. That being said, the necessity of having a clear idea of what is normal while what needs to be taken into account and worked upon is often not realized until it is too late. Moreover, there are many who, even after noticing the red flags, cannot bring themselves to talk their partners into seeking couples therapy. The best advice is that couples see a therapist when their fights become too nasty and they take longer, over a day, to reconcile. To break it down even further, we have mentioned 5 signs in our video, which could be heading you towards separation. Talk with your partner and rectify things with the assistance of couples therapy should you feel you are dealing with one or more of them. 1. Your partner's actions annoy you to the core. It can be anything from them forgetting to pick up the groceries on their way back home to delaying doing their share of the household chores. You get so vexed that you want to storm into your room, slam the door shut and never speak to them again. Even some thoughtful acts on their part are only met with your cranky remarks. You can hardly believe that this is the same person with whom you thought you would live happily ever after. Such a transition in your attitude towards your partner could be due to reasons different from what are apparent. Those hidden causes can be brought to light and dealt with through couples therapy. 2. Your partner doesn't listen to you. The one person who used to understand you like no one else is now perplexed when you approach them with things you are bothered by. They label it as your overthinking or overreaction and care not one bit to patiently hear all about it and offer their suggestions or, at the least, say something to make you feel better. It is as if you are expected to keep your concerns to yourself, like you are two people who unwillingly have to be together. Couples therapy makes the partners aware of the need for active communication for an everlasting relationship. 3. You can't get past an issue. Fights, disapprovals, disagreements are normal between couples only as long as they both take the effort to work out the solution before it can get worse enough to put a dent on their bond. Although an issue may seem too trivial to bring up after having quarreled over it the previous night, talking things out should always be preferred over keeping them suppressed at the back of your head. However, if repeated discussions only lead to more confusion and misunderstandings, a couples therapist must be consulted without any further delay. 4. The relationship is inhibiting both your individual as well as collective growth. No relationship can thrive unless the partners are supportive and uplift one another to help them accomplish their aspirations. There would be no place in your brain for positive thoughts when the person who means the most to you is making you doubtful of your career choices. In their head, they might be giving you their honest opinion, but, while doing so, they have to have concerns over how it may impact you and the relationship negatively. Such a toxic environment will make you agitated, encouraging similar responses from your side as well. Before it gets out of hand, we suggest you undergo couples therapy to take things back to normal. 5. You never have any fights. Surprised how never having any fights can be a problem too? Don't mistake it for everything going well. Conflict of opinions is bound to occur when two individuals have to make almost all, big or small, decisions after considering each other's viewpoint. It is only a matter of minutes for such mere disagreements to lead to yelling, bashing the other, and whatnot. If you never see that happening in your relationship, you may have a cause for concern. What may be appearing as your partner's understanding nature and confidence in your abilities could actually be their fading interest in you, or them battling with bigger issues that they aren't sure of divulging to you.
If you liked this video, please click on the like button for our appreciation. For more tips, tricks, and beneficial blog, please subscribe our channel. Topmost. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon.